sets my world from within. And like a moth to the flame, I tumbled in. But I held on tight to my uncomfortable convictions, and my conscience won out in the end. But she was waiting, and it's tempting. Oh, I just can't believe that this is happening. I feel a stranger to fate, but I'm still planning my escape. I don't wanna fear all these possible mistakes. Yes, I should count my blessings that I never left you scarred. I know loving you'd be different if I loved you from afar. But I don't wanna get caught in these convoluted questions of what is right and wrong and how we live with those decisions. Oh, calm down, I don't need you needing. I don't wanna be to blame cause for all your weeping. Can't you see that you've been living my dreams, a derelict delusion called a fantasy? Yet you're still waiting, and it's tempting. Oh, I just can't believe that this is happening. I feel a stranger to fate, but I'm still planning my escape. Oh, I don't wanna fear all these possible mistakes. Not again, not again, not again, not again, not again tonight. Silent, I'm hesitating, looking for a way out to avoid this confrontation. But I've been trying to find just one more reason to give you some idea of love, why it's worth believing. But don't you stop me, no, don't you dare. I've made up my mind.